Now let us see how to use move command and array command. So what is the use of array? Let us say there is one circle which is having a radius of 10 mm. Now such type of circle means I have to draw such four circle in which center to center distance is, let us say, 30 mm, and means, let us say, 4 row and 4 column with same circle. So I may use copy instruction for the same, but it will become very difficult. So instead of that, we'll go with array. So let us use array. So I require 4 rows and 4 column. So accordingly, I will just put here 4 rows and 4 column. And as I said, the center to center distance between these two circle, or between adjacent circle, it should be 30. So I just place here 30 mm. Column offset is also 30 mm. And I will select the object, click and press enter. After pressing enter, click OK. So you will get the array of 4 rows and 4 column with center to center distance is 30 mm. Suppose I want, let us say, there is one circle. I will just copy it here, and another array at which I require only 4 row and 3 column, and the center to center distance, it should be 20 mm. So accordingly, I will just click here array. I require 4 rows, but column should be 3, and as I said, the center to center distance, it should be 20. And after that, I will select the object and press enter, click OK. So I will get 4 row and 3 column. So accordingly, to draw different objects in array, we may use this array instruction. It can be used for rectangle also. Let us say, suppose there is a rectangle of 10 mm by 10 mm. A rectangle with 10 mm by 10 mm, and I have to array. So I will use array instruction. Number of rows, it may be 4. Column is also, let us say, suppose 2. The center to center distance, it may be 40 mm. For this also, column offset is also 40 mm. Then select object, press enter, and click on OK. I will get the array of 4 rows and 2 columns. So accordingly, you may use the uh, array instructions. After that, suppose how to use the move. So let us say there are two object, that is a similar object, the two rectangle, and inside this first rectangle, I am going to draw one circle like this. This is another object, and there is a line, suppose, in this way. So I have to just copy down. Instead of copy, I have to just move these objects in this rectangle at the same place. So how to use move? That means I have to move these. So I will click on move, then select the object which we have to move. I will select the objects, press enter. After this, as like copy, we have to select one base point, and as I said, we have to select base point as any of the corner. So I will select this corner, and I will just click here in another object. It will get shifted at the same place. So in this way, you may use move command. Let us say there is a circle, and we have to shift this totally in another, means another place. So how to use move? The shortcut for move is M, enter, select object, press enter, and select the base point, and accordingly you may move this. So this is all about move instruction. So in this way, we can use array as well as move.